If you've clicked on this video, it's likely that you or someone you know is in need of legal representation in a criminal case. Well, you've come to the right place, because here we're going to talk about how to find a good criminal defense attorney. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1: Why you need a criminal defense attorney. Before we get into the tips for finding the right attorney, it's essential to understand why hiring a criminal defense attorney is crucial. Facing criminal charges can be overwhelming and complex, and having an experienced professional by your side can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. Criminal defense attorneys specialize in handling these types of cases and can guide you through the legal process, protecting your rights and interests. Segment 2: Tips for finding a good criminal defense attorney. Now that we know the importance of a defense attorney, let's talk about how to find the right one for your needs. Here are some essential tips to consider. 1. Experience matters *. When it comes to criminal defense, experience is key. Look for an attorney who has a proven track record of handling cases similar to yours. Experienced attorneys have a deeper understanding of the legal system, strategies, and nuances that can be critical in building a strong defense. 2. Specialization *. Criminal law is vast and complex, covering various areas like drug offenses, DUI, assault, and more. Seek an attorney who specializes in the specific type of case you're facing. Specialization means they are well versed in the relevant laws and have insights into the local court system. 3. Reputation and reviews *. Check online reviews and testimonials from previous clients. Pay attention to what people say about the attorney's communication skills, dedication, and success rate. Additionally, you can consult your state's bar association to check if any complaints have been filed against the attorney. 4. Free consultation *. Many reputable criminal defense attorneys offer free initial consultations. Take advantage of this opportunity to meet the attorney in person, discuss your case, and evaluate if you feel comfortable working with them. 5. Clear communication *. Your attorney should be a clear and effective communicator. They should be able to explain legal jargon in a way that you can understand and be responsive to your questions and concerns. 6. Affordability *. While quality legal representation may not come cheap, it's essential to find an attorney whose fees are within your budget. Be cautious of attorneys who ask for large sums upfront without clear explanations of how the money will be used. Segment 3: What to avoid. Equally important is knowing what to avoid when searching for a criminal defense attorney. 1. Guarantees *. Be wary of attorneys who make bold promises or guarantees about the outcome of your case. The legal system is unpredictable, and no attorney can guarantee a specific result. 2. Lack of transparency *. If an attorney avoids answering your questions directly or doesn't provide clear explanations of their strategy, it might be a red flag. Segment 4: Conclusion. To sum it up, finding a good criminal defense attorney is crucial for protecting your rights and ensuring the best possible outcome for your case. Look for experience, specialization, and a solid reputation, and don't forget to trust your instincts during the consultation. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.